there's a lot more natural beauty and a lot of different types of scenery within one city, and I find that really fantastic. But also the people are a lot friendlier, there's a lot more of a community here, and I find that really nice.
I think it's a fantastic competition. I think we've been here for the first year when it was only a few international athletes, and then year on year it grew. So it's been a fantastic international competition that's brought countries together. And a great place to bring them together is Wuhan and the Yangtze River. It's got historic value, and it's fantastic.
The Chinese have some of the best swimmers in the world. There's a reason they hold the world record on both the 800 and 1500 freestyle. There will be the toughest competition, and all I can do is train my absolute best and hopefully give a good race with the local competitors.